The latest that our colleague Aishwarya is reporting is that the Delhi Rouse Avenue Court has reserved the order for the 5th of June as far as the interim bail is concerned. So essentially what this means is that Arvind Kejriwal will have to surrender on the 2nd of June because the Rouse Avenue Court also has reserved the order for the 5th of June. Tomorrow is when Arvind Kejriwal has to surrender as per the Supreme Court order. So Ishika, a setback for Kejriwal in a sense.
Well, certainly, we are seeing it is, a kind of a setback for Arvind Kejriwal because, he was in fact expecting that the order would come in his favor by today. But the Rouse Avenue Court, as in fact the breaking that we are getting, has reserved the order for 5th of June on his interim bail extension. So certainly tomorrow Arvind Kejriwal will have to go to the jail. So certainly a setback for Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. Over to you.
Rishika, setback for Arvind Kejriwal because this was perhaps his last resort. His last hopes were pinned on what the Delhi court would have said today, and the Enforcement Directorate also playing out that video that we are showing on our screens right now where Arvind Kejriwal is waving at the media where he was at that India Bloc meet. So now it's almost clear that Arvind Kejriwal will have to surrender tomorrow.
Well, yes, Vedant, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, this was certainly Arvind Kejriwal's, last hope. In fact, today, if we talk about the bail, he had filed the regular bail as well and also the extension for his interim bail. His regular bail hearing was, has been deferred for 7th of June. So his only last hope was today on the interim bail extension. But that order also has now been reserved by the court, and the order will only be pronounced now on 5th. So certainly it is a setback for Arvind Kejriwal. He will in fact have to return to Tihar jail tomorrow. Over to you.
Ishika, thanks very much for joining us with that update. So certainly a setback for Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi Rouse Avenue Court has reserved its order for the 5th of June, which is perhaps, which is 3 days after Arvind Kejriwal surrenders. And as per the Supreme Court, the bail was given, the interim bail was given only for campaigning till the 1st of June. Today, of course, Punjab is voting, which is a crucial state for the Aam Aadmi Party. And now Arvind Kejriwal is set to surrender tomorrow before the Tihar jail.